Hi everyone! Welcome to
Straight out of Osaka.
I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I show you how to make
Gyoza.
gyoza is Japanese pan-fried dumplings. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. My gyoza is very basic and super yummy. Alright, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I use these Japanese gyoza wrappers, and today I'm gonna use 32 sheets. Finely chop the cabbage. Add 1 teaspoon of shiokoji or half teaspoon of salt, then mix well, and then leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. Finely chop the garlic chives. Finely chop the garlic. After 10 to 15 minutes, squeeze the cabbage to remove excess water. Place 100 grams of minced pork, 1 teaspoon of shiokoji or half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cooking sake, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Then mix well until it turns white like this. Add the chopped cabbage, chives, garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Then mix lightly. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to settle. Sprinkle potato starch on the tray where the wrapped gyoza will be placed. I always make sweets like this according to the number of pieces I am making. This is to make sure the gyoza are evenly filled. Place the filling in the middle of the gyoza wrapper. Rub water on the edge of the wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half and wrap it around the front wrapper, making folds like this, and seal it tightly. When placing the wrapped gyoza, make sure the bottom is flat. Okay, it's done. Pour olive oil to the fry pan. Start with low heat, and when the gyoza are lined up, turn the heat to high. Cook until the bottom is browned, around 3 to 4 minutes. Add water to the fry pan. Then cover and cook 5 minutes with high heat. After 5 minutes, open the lid and allow the water to evaporate. It's better to shake the fry pan from time to time. Add the sesame oil to finish and let it dry further to make it crispy. When the bottom is nice and brown, place the plate on the top of gyoza and flip them over. For the dipping sauce, this is my recommendation. First, put vinegar and some pepper and eat some gyoza. Then add the soy sauce and rayu afterwards. This is a fun way of eating gyoza as you can enjoy the transformation of flavors. Gyoza is not that difficult to make, so you can have fun making them with your family and friends. You can also change the fillings such as seafood or just vegetables, so I'd like to show you how to make them again.
いただきます。
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!